Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Logitech Harmony Hub settings for smart home control, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your Logitech Harmony Hub settings for smart home control, start by ensuring your Harmony Hub is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Harmony app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't already, log into your Logitech account or create a new one. Once logged in, tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see a list of all your connected devices. Select the Harmony Hub from this list to access its settings. Next, tap on the settings icon, usually represented by a gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to find the smart home settings and select it. You will see options to add, remove, or adjust your smart home devices. To add a new device, tap on the Add Device option. Follow the prompts to select your brand and type of smart device. Make sure your smart device is powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Harmony Hub. Once your device is added, customize its settings based on your preferences. You can also organize your devices into rooms for easier control. To remove a device, return to the smart home settings and select the device you wish to remove. Tap on the Remove Device option and confirm the action. To edit existing device settings, select the device from your list and make the necessary changes. Be sure to test the configuration by using the Harmony app to control your smart devices. If everything works correctly, you've successfully updated your Harmony Hub settings. For any troubleshooting, consult the support section within the Harmony app. Your smart home experience should now be more streamlined and easier to manage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.